Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Feel the Need. It is a one wall dance, a nice cool down, guys, and I'm going to give you the step by step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along to the music, watch right here till the end and click on this video. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. And also thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself, we are looking forward to hosting you in 2026. So are you ready? So this dance is 4 parts and kind of like each step part piggybacks off each other. So don't be afraid that it's 4 parts. It's really easy. There's not a step in this a dance that you can't do. And we have like a bridge, okay? So let's go. So turn my back to you, okay? This is part one. Part one, you're gonna go up and back. It looks like this. Up and back and quarter and half. Cross, tap, cross, tap. That is part one, and you're gonna do that at all 4 walls. So let me break it down to you. The weight is on the left. On the right, you go up and back. Right shoulder come forward, quarter, and right half. Then the right, do a cross tap. Cross, tap, cross, tap. That's the part. All 4 walls. So let's do it again. So let's stand at this wall here so you can see me without looking back at the camera. So let's do it from this wall. We're going to come back to this wall here. Up and back. 5, 6, 7, up and back. 1 and 2, quarter, 3, half, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, up, 1, back, 2, turn, quarter, half, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, quarter, 3 and 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and back, 1 and 2, quarter, half, and 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the step. Remember, the right shoulder is going to come forward. We're making a 3/4 turn by making a quarter and then a half. Okay, that's part one. So remember, I told you the steps kind of piggyback off each other. Now, part one, we move clockwise. Part two, we're going to start with that cross tap again, and then we're going to go counterclockwise all 4 walls. Watch this. So we're going to go part two. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. That's the part two. Start with the cross tap. This wall here, same thing. We're going counterclockwise, all 4 walls at the same thing, doing the same thing. Cross over right. 1, 2, cross 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, that's 8. Back, 1, 2, back, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. So the left shoulder comes back a quarter turn to our next wall. And then we're going to do the same thing all the way around the wall. There's part one and part two. Okay? So let's put it together at this wall. 5, 6, 7. From the top. 1 and 2, quarter, 3, half, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 1 and 2, turn, 3 and 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1 and 2, quarter, 3, turn, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1 and 2, quarter, 3, half, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Easy enough, right? That's part 1 and 2. Part 3. We're going to start with that cross tap again. I told you they piggyback off of each other. Alright? So we're going to do a cross tap. 5, 6, 7. Part 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing something. So let's do that cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So I counted it out. So I'm going to do cross tap again, 4. Then I'm going to do a V step, up, up, back, back, and roll 3 times. And I'm going to do that part with the free V step 3 times. So part 3, cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, roll, roll, roll. Do it again. Right, left, roll, roll, and roll. Again. Right, left, roll, roll, and roll. All right? That's part 3. So let's put 1, 2, and 3 together. They piggybacking with that cross tap on each part 1, 2, and 3 has the cross tap. Part 2 got the cross tap, and part 3 got the cross tap. Let's go ahead and do part 4 because it's real easy. All right, and then we'll put the whole thing together, and then I'll give you the rotation. We got to do the bridge. Easy, easy. So part 4, we do a Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. So that second time we turn. Okay? Maybe we made a half turn. So let's go to this side wall and do the Lindy. We'll come back to this wall. So we Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4. We turn it. 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Okay? So that second time on 7, 8, we turn. And we're going to do the same thing here. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Okay? Now, that's all part 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's put the dance together. Okay? All right. Up and back. So part 1, let's do a review. Part 1 is up and back and quarter and half. Instructors, make sure your people are doing that quarter turn and that half turn. Hit those walls. They're not just turning. Okay? And you end up with a cross, tap, okay? All the way around the room, clockwise. Then you come back here, we finish up with the cross, tap, then we start with 4 cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. So that goes counterclockwise, part 2. All 4 walls. Okay? Part 3, cross tap again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B step. Up, back, roll, roll, roll. Again. Right, left, roll, roll, roll again. Right, left, roll, roll, and roll. We're going to do that 3 times. Okay? Then part 2, part 4 is your Lindy step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. And then do the back wall the same. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. And then I'll come back and give you the rotation and break down the bridge to you. The bridge is so simple. Okay? Nice cool down, guys. Nice dance for your cool down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 quarter, 3 half, 4 cross 5, 6 and 7, 8 up, 1 and 2 quarter, 3 and 4 cross 5, 6, 7, 8 up, 1 back, 2 quarter, 3 half, 4 cross 5, 6, 7, 8 up, 1 back, 2 quarter, 3 half, 4 cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quarter 7. Turn 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. Quarter 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross again. 1, 2, 3. Part 3. 5, 6, 7. B step. 1 and 2. Roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B step. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B step. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. That's a half. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Lindy. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Up 1 and 2. Now, that was your first rotation. You did 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second rotation, you're going to do walk part 1 and part 2. And then comes your tag. Here's your tag. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, pivot, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, turn 7, 8. Roll to the right for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your bridge. Now, you're going to pick up your Lindy step. We're going to part 4. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Lindy to the right is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Start over. 1 and 2. Turn 3 and 4. Cross 5. The whole entire song. Throughout the whole entire song, that's what you're going to do. Go back to part 1. Okay, so you do part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your second rotation, you do part 1 and 2, do the bridge, then go to part 4. So we're taking out part 3 on that second rotation and putting the bridge. Okay, and then picking up with part 4. That third rotation, we're doing part 1 throughout the whole entire song. That is, let me make sure I don't want to Feel the Need by ANITA Baker. Feel the Need. Make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. This is the step-by-step instruction. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.